Hey guys, it's Brandon with Seller.Tools, and I want to make a little video about archiving keywords, doing it in bulk, when to archive them, when not to archive them. Maybe you're approaching your keyword limit and you want to kind of whittle them down a little bit. So let's kind of dive in, kind of take a look and how to do it and when to do it. So first off, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to jump into one of my products that has 633 keywords, which is this foam roller. Now, the only keyword you cannot archive is the master keyword. As you can see, the master keyword is denoted right here. Now, the master keyword is essentially, as you already know through the previous videos, the master keyword is the best keyword that describes my product. Okay, in this instance, it is foam roller. All right. If for whatever reason I screw up and I chose the wrong master keyword, for instance, let's just say I added a bunch of keywords into this product and at first, I put massage roller. I thought my product best one was massage roller. I made that one had the little house on it, and it was incorrect. And I came across foam roller, which I like a lot better. So what I can go ahead and do is click on the little house, it pop up, and give me the option to specify my new master keyword. Okay, in this instance, I change it from massage roller to foam roller. All right, and then that would take that data and run it through the Seller.Tools system and do everything that we need to do based upon your master keyword. So that is the only keyword you cannot archive. Now, when to archive, when not to archive. So you want to archive anything that is not applicable to your product. Perhaps maybe it's a brand name, maybe it's something to do with, maybe we have something in here with hair. We do. So foam roller's hair is a perfect example. So foam roller is also for women when they do their hair. So in this instance, I want to go ahead and archive. So I could either A, click on change the state of this right here and do archive. All right, so I can do archive keyword. Yes, I want to archive it. Now that instantly archived that keyword. And if, for instance, Seller.Tools comes across this keyword phrase again, foam roller's hair, when we automatically go get you more keywords, which we do weekly for each ASIN, and we come across foam roller's hair, since you've already made that decision, we're going to go ahead and notice that it's inside your archived list and then never suggest it again. So the whole point of archiving and not just not adding to your keyword list is the fact of you will never be alerted to that keyword again. So for instance, if you add 100 keywords, 50 of them you like, and so you add it to the product, but 50 of them, which are on a spreadsheet, you never added into Seller.Tools. Eventually, Seller.Tools would find those 50 and present them to you. But you already logically said you don't like those when you had your spreadsheet. So you're better off taking your spreadsheet, putting them inside Seller.Tools, then archiving them. Okay? That way, if we do come across them, we won't alert you, we won't bug you. In this way, you do less work for each one of your products. Now, if I wanted to archive a bunch of these, I could hit this little box right here, which would select all on this page. From here, they're all selected, and then I would do bulk actions, and then I would do archive selected. So obviously, I have 3 here selected, archive selected, and instantly all 3 of those are archived. So if I were to take this keyword out, come on over to archived. I only have so many keywords in here, but let's say I had 1,000 in here, I could search and it would instantly pop up and I could see how long ago I did archive that. So that's how I would use it. My goal is to archive as many as humanly possible because I want to process at some point in time every keyword phrase that could be a potential traffic source for my product. And if it's not, then I want to get rid of it. So for instance, another example I could sort by either exact impressions or by TSI. So over here, I do have these guys here. I can go ahead and say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and select all of these because one, they're using up a little bit of space in my product, or excuse me, inside Seller.Tools. And I'm going to go all the way up. Going to go all the way up to these guys right here. Okay. Now, all of these that I'm selecting, I am going to archive through the bulk actions. I'm doing it kind of a slow process here, but you get what I'm saying. So I can either do one by one, or I can do bulk. I'm definitely going to go bulk on this. I'm going to go bulk actions. I'm going to do archive selected, and it's going to start archiving one by one. And so what we're doing here, why it takes a little bit of time, is what it's doing is actually moving it to the archived, and then recording that rule essentially within the system. So if we do come across that rule in the back end, we will not bug you for that particular keyword phrase. Okay, so it looks like it finished, and there we go. So you can see all of these are archived. If I want, I can refresh the screen, and they will completely be gone. Now, some of you are going to ask what the heck is paused, but I'm not going to go over it in this video. You should jump into the next video about pause, and I will explain it. Again, it will really kind of open up your account and let you manage a little bit more keywords without them counting towards your active status. So hopefully this makes sense of what to archive and when to archive. Thanks, guys.